Introducing the MTM-100-2000 Torque Tester Universal from Flexible Assembly Systems. Are you in need of a versatile and high-performance torque tester that can meet the demands of your testing applications? Look no further than the AUET/MTM-100-2000. With its wide torque range of 10-100/200-2000 InLb and multiple drive sizes of 1/4-1/2 Dr. This torque tester can accommodate various testing requirements. The adjustable auto clear feature simplifies the testing process by automatically resetting the display after each test, enhancing efficiency and reducing manual intervention. The AUET/MTM-100-2000 also offers 3 operating modes: peak, first peak, and track, providing flexibility to capture different torque values based on your testing needs. The inclusion of a repeatable joint simulator allows for consistent and accurate testing, ensuring reliable and repeatable results. With an accuracy of 0.5% and a resolution of 226, the AUET/MTM-100-2000 delivers precise and dependable measurements. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the AUET/MTM-100-2000 Torque Tester Universal. Visit flexibleassembly.com today to learn more and place your order.